I always thought of myself as a happy person. I liked my job quite a bit, and I've always been close to my family. But at some point, things just started to change. I felt overwhelmed and hopeless. My family and friends were quite worried about me. It was actually my sister who talked to me and finally convinced me to get some help. I came to INOVA Behavioral Health Services. At first, I was kind of nervous. I didn't know what to expect, but on my first day, I met my care team. The nurses, mental health and clinical techs, psychiatrist, nurse practitioner, and therapist. I realized I'd have a lot of support. The nurse asked me how I was feeling and what was going on in my life. He told me what my time at INOVA would be like. Nurses were there at all times, and I could go to them whenever I needed to talk to someone. They really got to know me as a person and helped me understand how my medication was meant to help me and why it was so important to take it. The mental health techs were also available at any time. They would review my schedule with me each day and help me get to my different group meetings. My psychiatrist and the nurse practitioner really listened to me and helped me understand my diagnosis and treatment. I was so relieved that there was a name for what I was going through and there was actually something that could be done to make me feel better. During the day, there were activities and therapy groups. At first, I just listened, but after a while, I felt comfortable enough to share how I was feeling, and it felt really good. My therapist met with me and helped me understand myself much better. And I had free time where I could be by myself and relax. Sometimes my family and friends came to visit me. It was always my choice if I wanted to see them or not, and I got to decide who could be told about my treatment plan. My phone was put in storage during my stay, but I could call my family from a phone in the unit when I wanted, and they could leave me messages too. Once I felt ready to go home, I helped plan the next steps with my care team, and they helped set up follow-up appointments for me and made sure I had what I needed when I got home. When I left, I felt so much better, like myself again. Now I have a plan for staying healthy, and I know where to find help if I need it. And for the first time in a very long time, I have hope.